Hello everyone, this is Ankita, and in this video, we'll walk you through the introduction of kits in OpenSpecimen. If you have worked with multi-site clinical study, you will know the difficulties and logistical challenges that comes with it. These usually are sites using incorrect tubes or incorrect labels, missing labels or barcodes. And since this is multi-site study, the specimens collected at different site can follow different procedure, which may lead to discrepancies in the results. And lastly, but the important one is the difficulty in tracking the supplies that are sent and received. So, so this is where the kits comes in. So, what exactly is a collection kit? A kit is a pre-assembled or pre-packaged set of supplies, uh, like tubes, labels, and whatever things are required to collect specimen for a specific study or a visit. You can think of it as a lab in a box. So instead of each site searching for the correct tubes or labels or barcodes, they can just directly pick up a kit whenever a participant comes in and use it for that particular visit. So how are kits linked in Open Specimen? Okay, kits are created based on the specimen requirement defined in the collection protocol. Uh, Using the information, the standardized kits can be configured so that each kit contain the correct tube labels and supplies that are required. So the workflow typically looks like I have shown it in the right hand side. Now, once the kit are created in OpenSpecimen, they are not linked to any particular participant until the point of collection. So whenever a participant comes in, the collector can directly pick up any kit and use it for that particular event of that participant. Secondly, since the collected specimens can be similar across events or across the study, same kit can be used across events and study as well. Apart from this, OpenSpecimen also provides several key features which makes it easier to handle and manage the kits. First, it allows the users to create multiple kits in bulk. Secondly, the users can track the usage of the kits, as in what kits are available and what kits are used. So this is how it looks like. It shows the list of available kits, and in the used kits tab, it shows the list of the kits that are used and the visit to which it is used. Um, Third, it allows the tracking of the shipment, the kit shipment from the collection to the supply site or the supply site to the collection site. And lastly, the validation ensures that the specimens collected matches the expected kit configuration.